What makes this desert racer's car so powerful? Join me as I dive into the desert and put this racer's car to the ultimate test to see just how powerful it really is. Meet Jack, a seasoned desert racer, and his beast of a car, a custom-built trophy truck that's been making waves in the racing world. This truck is no ordinary vehicle. It's a marvel of engineering, designed to tackle the harshest desert terrains. Desert racing isn't for the faint of heart. The terrain can shift from smooth sand to jagged rocks in a heartbeat. And the weather? Forget about it. Blistering heat during the day drops to freezing temperatures at night. Vehicles are put through a wringer, tested to their limits and beyond. One wrong move, and you're not just talking about a breakdown, you're talking about potential disaster. The isolation of racing in the desert means help is often hours away, making reliability and performance non-negotiable. And let's not forget the physical toll on the driver's long hours behind the wheel, battling fatigue and staying focused on the treacherous terrain ahead. So, what makes Jack's trophy truck tick? Under the hood, you've got a beast of an engine, a 550 horsepower V8 that's more than capable of propelling this truck at breakneck speeds. The suspension system is equally impressive, with custom shocks and a long travel suspension setup that soaks up the bumps and keeps the truck stable, even when flying over rocky terrain. And then there's the design, a sleek, aerodynamic body that cuts through the air with ease, along with reinforced armor plating to protect against the inevitable hits and scrapes. A critical moment comes when Jack faces a particularly treacherous dune field, steep inclines, loose sand, and hidden obstacles that could spell disaster. The truck's tires screech and squeal as Jack navigates the twists and turns, his focus laser sharp. In moments like these, the car's power and resilience are on full display. It's not just about speed, it's about control, finesse, and the ability to adapt on the fly. Jack's trophy truck handles the challenge with ease, its features working in harmony to overcome every obstacle. So, what makes Jack's car so powerful? It's the combination of its monstrous engine, advanced suspension system, and rugged design. These features don't just make the truck fast, they make it capable of handling the harshest conditions, giving Jack the confidence to push it to the limit. If you're as passionate about high-performance vehicles as I am, I'd love to hear your thoughts on desert racing. What do you think makes a car truly powerful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more content on incredible vehicles, be sure to check out our video on the world's fastest production car. Link is in the description.